Hi there, it's Tom Pullen here, and in this video I'm going to share with you 5 top tips for how to successfully lead your innovation workshop. Let's go! Tip number 1. Sharp agenda, but with flex. Clearly you need to design a sharp, timed agenda to make sure that you achieve your desired outputs. But don't be afraid of giving more flexibility on the day if a discussion is really helpful. Sometimes it's better to have that richness of discussion to get to the root of the problem or the opportunity. Tip number 2. Maximize active participation. You really want every individual in the workshop to participate as actively as possible. So don't hesitate to put them in groups of 3 or 4 to make sure that everyone does so. And if you really need to incentivize them, there's always cupcakes. Tip number 3. Fewer screens, more paper. In the world of work today, everyone's had more than enough of staring at a screen. So use paper and pens to get people to think and collaborate differently. Tip number 4, give firm commitments. At the end of the workshop, make sure that you or someone else from the project team gives firm commitments about what's going to happen next. Who is going to do what and by when. Remember that all of the participants have invested a huge amount of time and energy in the workshop, so it's only fair that you explain to them the impact that their work is going to have. Tip number 5. Inject sharp stimuli. Stimuli can be a great ingredient for a successful workshop because it really helps the participant to achieve your desired outputs. And remember, this doesn't just need to be PowerPoint charts, but can also be things that they can touch and feel, such as product samples. So those are my 5 tips to help you successfully lead your innovation workshop, and feel free to leave your own tips in the comments down below. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you learned something. If you did, please feel free to give it a like and also subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any future innovation videos. Thanks a lot for your support, and see you again soon.